All right, here's try it 2.6. In this problem, we are told that the height of a tree, I think this is a linear function. And that's important because if they didn't tell you that, you wouldn't know it's a linear function. I realize it looks really linear based on these points, but we need all infinitely many points in the domain to really see that it's linear. But anyways, I'm getting distracted here. Write a linear function using this data right here. You are given way more information than you need. When you want to write, to define a linear function, you only need 2 points. Here we're given, what, 5 points. Way more than you need. You only need 2. Pick any 2 of these points that you want and use those. Totally up to you which 2 you choose. However, I'd recommend choosing this one. Maybe you could think about why I really wanted you to choose this one. And then choose any other point. I don't care what you choose. I like small numbers, so I'm going to choose this one. But if you chose one of these, more power to you. Maybe less power to you. Power to you. I'm going to use these 2 points. This one was arbitrary. This one I chose on purpose because I really like knowing the height when x equals 0. And the reason why is that's exactly your y-intercept. And when you're trying to come up with the equation of a linear function, you need to know 2 things, the slope and the y-intercept. And because the authors of this problem were generous enough to give me the height when x equals 0, they told me the y-intercept, us I suppose. This first point here tells me that b equals 12.5. So really all that's missing is m. And to figure out m, you need any 2 points. It's the change in the y-coordinates over the change in the x-coordinates. So if I chose these 2 points, how much do their y-coordinates change by? Well, I don't know. Maybe I'll call this y2 and this y1. Therefore, this is x2 and this is x1. Now I'll go plugging stuff in. y2 minus y1 is 13.5 minus 12.5. Maybe you can do that in your head. X2 minus x1 is 2 minus 0. You can probably do that in your head too. You get a half here. My slope is 1/2. My y-intercept is 12.5. I got everything I need. F of x is equal to slope times x plus y-intercept. Okay, I have a problem with this. I don't like having fractions and decimals in the same problem. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not aesthetically pleasing. I would write this like this. A lot of people would write this like this. I kind of feel like either stick to fractions or decimals. Don't mix them up. Nothing wrong with mixing them up. It's just ugly looking. And I'm not a big fan of decimals, to tell you the truth. I like fractions. I think I'm weird like that. Most people would probably like fractions, or would like decimals. But note that all 3 of these things are equivalent. Give any of these forms you want. Got yourself the answer. Call that good.